We got a biggin. We got a biggin. Oh yeah, get him. God. You stuttering you look, aren't you, fucker? You can't see anything yet, guys, but he's fighting the hell out of this thing. And he's good at that. He's been fishing his whole life. He's pretty good at this. Surprisingly good for his age.
Get the rod out of my way. Get him out of my way. Get him out of my way. I don't know where I'm going to go.
Oh. It's got a fish on it, but... You know what? Stick it right there.
Can you throw his tail?
At least you got something you know will hold now. Because last time he done that, last time he hooked a big one just like this, it didn't take long for it to just snap it clean off. Like it shredded the line. It was braided and just shredded it.
It'll hurt you now. I like getting down on the rocks and rubbing.
Yeah. Yeah. Cut the line or break free.
Yeah, they'll put their nose down there and bump
He's
all
still
over.
fighting.
Don't bother them.